Shri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 43, English translation and explanation. Shri Manache Shlok were written by Samarth Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. Mana sajjana ek jeevi dharave jani apule hit tuva karave रघुनायका वीण बोलो नको हो सदा मानसी तो निज ध्यास राहो. O my mind, embrace this single thought firmly in your heart. In this world, let us do good for ourselves. Let us not even speak the words which do not contain Lord Rama, who represents the truth. Let our minds yearn always for Lord Rama. Some of the key words used in this shloka are Jivi means in the heart, Dharave means hold, Jani means among the people, Apule means one's own, Hit means welfare, Tuva means you, Karave means do, Raghunayaka Veena means without Rama, Bolo means speak, Nijadhyasa means yearning for own self. In this shloka, Samarth Ramdas Swami asks us to embrace a single thought to ourselves, that it is up to us to do good to ourselves. There is power in the words we speak. Before we speak, we have the thoughts in our minds. The thoughts, when reinforced with the speech, become beliefs. It is important to keep doing affirmations in our mind, in our thoughts, and our speech. Those affirmations help build the belief in our mind that we are capable, we have enough, we can do good to ourselves. Our minds are wonderful. What we feed, it demands more. If we feed positive, it will start the positive cycle and add to the positives. But if we feed negative, then it will start supporting all those negative aspects and we go into the negative loop. So it is entirely up to us to pull ourselves up and help our minds to go into a positive cycle of thoughts by always doing positive affirmations. Thoughts become beliefs, and those beliefs help us in taking the right actions toward our goals. Some of the good affirmations we can use are I believe I can be all that I want to be. I am in the process of becoming the best version of myself. I have the freedom and power to create the life I desire. I choose to be kind to myself and love myself unconditionally. My possibilities are endless. I am worthy of my dreams. I deserve to be happy, and happiness is my choice in every moment I live. I will be better tomorrow than I am today. I have everything I need to start taking the positive steps towards my goals. I will strive and attain that which I need to achieve my goals. I believe in God and Lord Rama will be there to support me always. I will always keep Lord Rama in my mind, my thoughts, and my speech. There is a very good song, a prayer from a Hindi movie, which is worth mentioning here. हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे. The meaning of this is, O God, give our minds the strength, give victory to our minds. Before we cheer the victory of others, make ourselves victorious. Let us gain victory over our minds. Remember that until we believe in ourselves, no one else will believe in us. Let us always keep this in our minds, and every time we speak, let us only speak positive words about ourselves. मना सज्जना एक जीवी धरावे, जनी आपुले हित तुआ करावे. रघुनायका वीण बोलो नको हो, सदा मानसी तो निज ध्यास राहो. If you liked this video, share, feel free to comment and subscribe to the channel, A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ